Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Spellbinders kit in and I wanted to do an unboxing of it. I love Spellbinder club kits. Okay, oh look how beautiful. I love butterflies. I love that elegance of them. I'm more of a cutesy crafter, but I do appreciate elegance. So this right here, it shows you what's in this one. So you have this, you have the butterfly die right here, and then you have the side panel and flowers, I believe flowers and leaves. Yeah, so cool. All right, so you get that. Oh, so this is just the card kit. Okay, so this, oh, I was supposed to receive 2 packages. I guess I only got 1 because I get the whole kit and caboodle. So it must be on its way. I did get 2 alerts, but I guess they only delivered 1. So you get 10 base cards and 10 envelopes, plus some pop dots, plus some tape runner. And they're good. They're actually a good brand. Or a good adhesive, I should say. And I love getting their frames. You can turn these into shakers. They're amazing for shakers. So cute. That's awesome. Then you always get a stamp set. So let's see. I have another light in here, so I don't know if it's going to be a hindrance or a helping hand. I don't know. So... oh, look at these butterflies. They're like a vellum or acetate. They're like an acetate butterfly. So pretty. And this looks like neon in my camera, and it is neon. So it is exactly what it looks like. So typewriter, choose joy. Oh, I love the tickets. The tickets are beautiful. Nice. And then you always get 9 pieces of cardstock. So here we have green, we have gold, we have this, I don't know, pink of some sort. I always hear fuchsia in my head when I think of that color, but I don't know if it's right. Maybe I should start, you know, doing my colors. Who else doesn't know the color, the rainbow colors? Like, everyone's like, put it in rainbow color, and I'm like, what in the world is that? I'm like, rainbow color. So it's one of those things that is like useless in my head, so I don't retain it. I'm like, I don't care. So I'll just do the colors I like and not worry about it. But I mean, it looks beautiful, and I understand that there are rainbow colors now, but it's not something for me. I just don't care enough to do that. But when I hear about it, I'm like laughing because I'm like, I don't know the rainbow colors, and I'm 47, but that's okay. But I know how to be a good person. You know what? And I know not to lie, cheat, or steal. So I think those make up for everything else, right? Oh, look at that one. That one's beautiful. Is anyone a Basic Gray fan? Back in the day when they made paper, I bought it all. I loved Basic Gray. They were just phenomenal with their distressed and stuff. Oh, yeah. And then I used to quilt, and we couldn't get that Basic Gray fabric here in my town. You'd have to order online, and I didn't really have enough money to do that. And so I never got to make a quilt with the Basic Gray because I no longer quilt. I don't have time for that. The 3D projects and Project Life take up all the time. Is this seem blurry, you guys? Does this seem blurry? Let me see if I can fix that a little. I don't know how, but... weird. I don't know why it's acting like that. I love that. That's pretty. Oh, so nice. And we're back to square one. So 2 sheets of each of those. Awesome. Now this is my favorite part. The die cuts. The die cuts are always amazing, and you get so many of them. You get so many. So you get a big old board, or you get 2 different borders. That's awesome. I have no nails, so we're out of luck with that, with me turning over stuff quickly. So let me scoot you in, and then we'll look at this together. So wrong way. There we go. Okay, let's look at it together. Oh, they have tickets. Butterflies. French words. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. There's simply nothing better. Thankful. Today's your day. Oh, look at this. I love that. Oh, look at this one. This one is a very elegant kit. Love it so much. This is almost like Anna Griffin also. I've been looking at her stuff lately and I'm like, kind of intrigued. It's just, you know, you pay so much for Anna Griffin stuff and you get a lot. Believe you get a lot. But it's just, sometimes that can be a little overwhelming. And, you know, it's just not something, I don't want to be overwhelmed sometimes. There's sometimes that it's good, you know, like picking donuts, you know, like you need to pick 12. Okay, I'm overwhelmed, but it's in a good way. So that I can handle. Cool. Oh, look at this telephone. Oh, look at this bow. Oh, that's beautiful. Does anyone watch Emily in Paris? You have a little je ne sais quoi. I don't know. But it's a good show. Love, laugh, celebrate. Awesome. Love it. Good job, Spellbinders. You're amazing again. So I'll come back with the other half when I get it. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.